At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we strive to be a trusted choice by providing dependable workmanship, accurate diagnostics, and customer-focused solutions. As an experienced air conditioning contractor and heating contractor, we offer professional air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, and furnace repair service to help restore safe and reliable HVAC performance. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What causes electrical issues in an AC system? Electrical issues in an air conditioning system can be caused by worn or damaged wiring, loose electrical connections, failed capacitors, faulty contactors, or problems with the HVAC control system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC electrical repair, using thorough diagnostics to identify the root cause and perform reliable HVAC system repair. Is it safe to use my AC if I suspect an electrical issue? No, it is generally not safe to continue using your air conditioning system if you suspect an electrical issue. As an experienced air conditioning contractor and heating contractor, we provide expert air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, and furnace repair service to diagnose and resolve electrical problems safely. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.